Heading into Zombie Horde. I really can't see anything.
Oh, heck.
We're going into some like abandoned city, it looks like. Kind of looks like the south side, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, well this is neat. You got a lot of old cars and things over here. Okay, right. There's somebody chained to that thing. What the hell? He can't get off of that, right? Oh God, okay. It's okay. There's a, why would you, Joey, come on.
My bad. I thought I saw something.
You wanna hear a joke?
Yeah, what do you got?
Oh, God.
It's not funny. Yeah, that's not even a dad joke. I swear to God, there's a man with a chainsaw over here. Oh, I was so worried you were gonna have a chainsaw. If that thing comes up at me, my God, I swear I said it. I knew it. It's completely pitch black over here. Oh no. Oh God, no. All right. Okay.